Welcome to Quinn Equipment YouTube channel. This is an in-depth installation guide for iDig 2D Excavator Grade Control System. The Futtura iDig 2D Grade Control System is revolutionizing excavation by providing a more efficient, accurate, and cost-effective way to complete projects quickly and safely with fewer mistakes due to human error. With its advanced laser technology and versatile software capabilities, this system offers numerous benefits for those working in excavation, including increased efficiency, improved accuracy, cost savings, safety improvements, and versatility for various types of projects. iDig Pre-Installation Checklist. Before you begin to install the iDig, make sure you've got everything you need to successfully complete the installation, along with checking your equipment and your working area. Prestart Checklist Number 1. Items to have on hand to assist with installation. Tape measure. Make sure the unit of measurement selected for the system matches your equipment on hand, magnetic plumb bob or magnetic hooks. String line. Clean rags. Brake cleaning fluid. Tripod, preferably an elevating variety. Window cleaner. Rotating laser and handheld receiver. Make sure your sensors are charged. Grade rod. Cable ties, conduit, and sticky cable mounts for a clean cab. Prestart Checklist Number 2. Machine checks. Have you got a safe and suitable location for the installation? This calibration process requires a bit of space to operate the machine in. You'll be rotating the cab 360 degree and fully extending the booms and bucket. Find an area where you can do this safely. This area will need to provide a stable and level footing for you and the machine. It is crucial that the machine is level left to right to aid in calibration of the boom and dipper. An excavator tipping forward/backward at an angle is acceptable. Machine checks before you start. Is the excavator in good working order? Pins and bushings are well greased? A sloppy machine equals a potentially sloppy calibration and an inaccurate system. No hydraulic problems? Does the boom stay raised and doesn't drop when left in a high position? If so, you'll not be able to calibrate the boom and dipper sensors correctly, and the system will not be accurate. Check the power outlet. Can the machine supply 12V and/or 24V? Is the power supply stable and not drop or turn off? If power is not available, check for a blown fuse or corrosion in the receptacle. Does the cigarette lighter plug fit securely into the accessory plug? Hardware installation. Step 1. Installation of LED display and control box. Machine needs to be powered off. Before plugging in the cables, find suitable locations to mount the LED cradle and control box cradle. The LED display should be put on the front window so that is in your field of vision of the working area outside. If there is no window, you'll need to use the optional C-clamp to mount on the bar. The control box is usually mounted onto the right-hand side window and at a distance that is comfortably reached by hand. Allow clearance for the front window to be opened or slid up into the roof. Use window cleaner to clean both the glass and the suction cup mounts to achieve good adhesion. Attach cables to the LED and control box cradles. Secure the cables with conduit, cable ties, etc. Do not plug in power until after the 2D sensor is installed. Step 2. Installation of 2D sensor. Locating a suitable spot to install the 2D sensor is worthwhile, taking some time to get right. You are looking for a place that is accessible. The sensor is able to be reached and removed from its mounting plate with the removal key without interference. Sensor will be level and facing forward. Arrows on the top of the sensor need be installed facing toward the front of the cab. The sensor ideally needs to be placed in a spot that is level to the floor of the cab. Installing the 2D sensor on a tilt is acceptable if a level location is unable to be found. A maximum angle of 30 degree on both axes is okay. Is free from vibration. Avoid plastic molding that is removable, as this can vibrate when the machine is running. Has adequate space for cable and plug. The communication cable is not under tension. Use an extra XD418 cable if more length is required. The cable and plug into the sensor sticks out approximately 1 inch from the edge of the sensor. 2-3-inch clearance is desirable to avoid complications with the cable bending too sharply. Will not be subject to knocks or damage. Avoid areas where tools are commonly stored. On some machines, under the floor mats to the side of the operator's feet is the only location. Take care to make a safe place where the sensor and cable will not be affected. If you have any questions about the iDig 2D Grade Control System, don't hesitate to contact us at 319-320-4982. We will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you for tuning into Quinn Equipment YouTube channel.